My name is Sid. I'm the Regional VP and General Manager for Dataiku, based in Dubai, covering Leap and here in Saudi Arabia. At its very core, Dataiku basically delivers an end-to-end data science platform, a platform that's open. What I mean by open basically means that we embrace open source, we have an open architecture as well. At the same time, it's a very collaborative solution, which means that we offer collaboration features within the platform that caters to every audience. So imagine a data scientist, data engineer, line of business manager, a cloud architect, they can all collaborate very well. And at the end of the day, it's an end-to-end data science platform that delivers everything that I'm discussing in one single interface. So we speak to a lot of CDO organizations, and I think it's important to understand the whole process. If I were to explain an overall workflow, I think it all starts with the C-level executives. The first thing that we need to do, or the organizations need to do, is to align with the C-level, try to understand the value drivers. And these value drivers could be around a variety of factors. It could be to reduce costs, increase the profits of the company, launch new products and services. It could be around optimizing processes. So it's very important, first of all, for the key champion that you have to really align with the thoughts of the leaders. Once you've done that, very quickly understand the top use cases for the organization. You need to prioritize these use cases, and these use cases need to prioritize on two different parameters. First one, of course, being the ability to execute quickly, and the second one is the value gains that you can get from a business use case. Then you do internal assessment. Internal assessment would mean that really take a look at how skilled you are as an organization. You might want to invest in some kind of training, certifications, really upskill the workforce. Once that's done is when you get down to the top 3 use cases to implement. That's when you probably talk to a vendor like Dataiku, the new age data science and machine learning vendors. And once you've actually delivered that particular use case, you measure the value. I think measuring value is very important. It's an interesting question. The secret sauce for our success in the region, I would say, is around 2 things. One is a great product. Like I mentioned, it's a world-leading product. We've been on the Gartner report for the last many years, so it's a great product in the first place. And I think second, I would attribute the success to the team on ground. So like I said earlier as well, we've grown to a team of about 25-30 people on ground, serving close to about 50 customers and growing rapidly. We focused on the post-sales piece quite well. So when it comes to implementation, when it comes to customer-facing data scientist time, when it comes to taking charge of the integration of the Dataiku platform with the customer's infrastructure, when it comes to post-sales support, when it comes to any kind of training programs, consulting, when it comes to business transformation, we've got the team on ground, and our customers are very, very successful on their journey. In conclusion, I would say, like I said, a great product, a great team, but a great post-sales support as well. And that's how we've seen success in the region. We like to build relationships based on trust, relationships that are based on clear objectives that are measurable as well. We're launching a very interesting partner program as well very shortly. Our partner ecosystem is very vibrant, very deep, and we've got partners across all geos. So we're going from strength to strength as far as our partner community in the Middle East is concerned.